We've just arrived in Houston. This is the bathroom. This is a shower. It's a big shower. This is the sink. It's quite a big sink. I'm not going to show you the reflection in the mirror because we've just arrived. We're tired, we're exhausted, and it's hot and it's humid. So this is a little coffee machine, the TV, Alfred's ice hockey clubs, of course. Alfred's got a little surprise because it's his birthday soon, coming up. We were given a bucket, and we've got a little welcome amenity, very beautiful amenity.